All right, welcome to the final part of this whole shenanigans. So I'm going to go ahead and just go back to scene world. So now what we're going to do is get in a really big area light. So right here, and this is something I taught on YouTube the other day. I mean, when I'm recording, it was released today, but I might release this tomorrow. So yesterday. So we'll get an area light, hit R twice to just kind of point it, and then I'm going to scale it up and make it really big. I want this to be significantly big. Click on the light settings and I'm going to go here from a square to a disc. And then let's just go ahead and turn it on. So, I mean, I guess 5,000, maybe 10,000 on the brightness. And then I'm going to hit the tilde key and go to the top. Shift A, we're going to get a camera. Control Alt 0, snap that to view. And then I'm going to hit G and middle click and kind of move it out. Something like this. This area light is surprisingly weak, but I think everything's just really big. So we're going to do 20,000 on the brightness. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Shift A, get another plane. I'm going to hit G and move it over. We're going to use it as a bounce box. So I'm going to hit R twice to make the flat portion face the keyboard and then scale it up to be really, really big. So notice how it looks without it. And really just filling it in. And then I don't really want to make the light any brighter. So what I'm going to do is in my color management, just bring up my exposure. And then you can also maybe bring up your contrast a little bit. And now you have a really nicely lit scene. And then maybe bring that down a little bit. Cool. We're finished. I'm going to go ahead and just render it. Let's see, samples at 300. That probably will be pretty good. 1920 by 1080. Let's render it and see how it looks. And my cat has joined us. Also, the render is finished. For me, it took 7 seconds. Optimize your settings if it takes you longer than you want. But this looks really nice. You can really feel that. You can really see that texture of the cutting board and the fingerprints, and everything just looks really nice and cohesive. So there you go. That's how you create your own keyboard. What was this, 3 or 4 parts? This was longer than I actually anticipated when I started, but there's a lot to learn here. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.